This one is gonna be so much fun. All right, so this is an unboxing of this out the front knife. Oh, that is just so satisfying. Comes in a little box like so, piece of plastic. You don't care about that. No, instead you want to see exactly how long the blade is, which is 2 inches in length. Yes, it is double-sided, 1 and 2 right like that. Now the out the front type knives, they themselves aren't really good for a lot of utilitarian type uses. You're not gonna be using this to pry anything or a lot of self-defense, but you will be using this for a lot of those little precise incidentals because this thing is razor sharp. It's especially effective for people with disabilities. So let's say, for example, you have an amputated arm and you don't have the ability to open up and deploy a pocket knife with 2 hands simply because you might only have 1 hand. And for that and that alone, this is extremely useful. It is, oh, just so satisfying. You could do this all day long like so. Now it does not come with a pocket clip in case you're wondering, so that is both sides like so. However, it does come with a little hole right up there if in fact you wanted to put this on a keychain. But really it's designed to be placed, buried in your pocket, deep concealment so to speak. And when you push this like that, it goes out, and when you push it back like that, that's the basic functionality. And as for the actual texture itself, it is perfectly smooth. It does have kind of this carbon fiber type look to it. It is not carbon fiber itself, it's just the printing on there, but it looks pretty darn cool. There you go. So I'm gonna put a link to this in the description below in my YouTube video, along with a promo code if in fact it blesses you. Yeah, isn't this just fun? Hope this helps.